They know I go hard, and nobody's telling me different. I'm getting it how I'm living, and if you don't see the vision, go home. Cause I'm riding like 4 tires, down the old wires. Until I retire, I'ma go hard, go hard, go hard.
Yeah, it's that boy Drew D, man. I spit that real motherfucking shit, you understand me? Yeah. I was born to go hard, these rappers not on my level. I shine all the time like the diamonds on my bezel. I ain't going back to court, being broke is for the peasants. I lived that life all through the ghetto lessons. Now I shower in money, fresh other rich essence. I go hard, that's forever, man, I hope you get the message. Popping bottles in the yacht, ain't no room for no more stressing. Looking up to the sky, thank God for all my blessings. You can see me in the Gucci, a draped in the Louis. Got these haters so mad that they probably wanna shoot me. Jealousy's a motherfucker, and I say it so truly. Your boy is too solid that these fakes you never move. You can run my name, it's 100 Drew D's. I'm a general, cousin, how my soldiers all at ease. Get the soft and go hard, that's the tippy bitty G's. But the real money comes in all over the web.
Nobody's telling me different. I'm getting it how I'm living, and if you don't see the vision, go home. Cause I'm riding like 4 tires, down the old wires. Until I retire, I'ma go hard.
We go hard. We can say it one. It's so tough, I go hard, I'm solid. With my boys, I'm polished. Catch me just like Kevin. You can't touch me like Kevin. I put all for my partners, but keep it organic. When I roll it, they're like, damn, cause I pulled up in the lane. Hold your bride for ransom. You just got kidnapped. Beat the brakes off the belly, baby. Just got whiplash. Quick cash, quick fast. Make that, spend that. 10 racks on blackjack. No need to bounce back. I go hard with my hustle. I got to get it bubbling. We grubbing out here. You don't see no suffering. Pumpers get popped. If your guns start bumping, I don't care if you plot. I'ma put that on son. Go hard and go home. Homie, that's the spirit. You can hear it in my lyrics. I'm fearless. I'm a beast, man. Deep game ain't nothing changed with my change. I'm still the same. I go hard like that cocaine. I go hard.
Nobody's telling me different. I'm getting it how I'm living, and if you don't see the vision, go home. Cause I'm riding like 4 tires, down the old wires. Until I retire, I'ma go hard.
When the pain when I come in, all these haters tryna get at me ain't nothing. They think they loco to the fofo, creep up and started bustin'. You know what it be now, that 454 for the Misa G style. Got the homies in the streets packing the heat if they wanna get wild. Gonna take it up, my weight is up, ain't nobody mistaking us. We all lacing up, I don't give a fuck. Letting everybody know that's what's up. Till the end we riding in, stacking up them dividends. Mill again, LCV up in this bitch for VN. Usos riding with me, riding on no rivalries. It's meant to be, it's destiny, now we riding like family. And now it's on, cause I said it be. Homie, what you wanna see? Gangsters in the streets making history. Cause I ride for my dogs, ride for my G's, ride for my homies in the penitentiary, ride for my lows, ride when I smoke, ride till I turn into the ghost in the motherfucker hole.
Nobody's telling me different. I'm getting it how I'm living, and if you don't see the vision, go home. Cause I'm riding like 4 tires, down the old wires. Until I retire, I'ma go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard. Or I'ma go home, go home, go home, yeah, go home, go hard.
Matthew. Stop, you said.